hold on to it, like just hold the push down, just don't make sure it flies off.
So like when the big gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mark.
So far.
Right here, right now, buddy. This is where it's at.
It's fucking the beast, man. Nobody just coming out.
Yeah.
Do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you take a picture of me with the storm in the background? It's ready to go.
Yeah, so go to your right just a little bit. There you go. One,
What happened?
2, 3.
What happened?
Stay there. Stay there. No, go back.
Ow.
1,